Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to earn from truelancer. So truelancer, like Upwork or freelancer or people per hour, that's basically a website for freelancers to look for a job, or for people who own businesses and all that to find or hire a talent. You can find it on truelancer, people per hour, and freelancer.com, right? And truelancer same as that. You can sell and earn more on truelancer. Complete your profile. This is the foremost step, because you want to let the employer know that you're serious and you have actual background, and try to get a job, good rating and feedbacks by doing small jobs, and then let people know that you are a freelancer at truelancer, and then upgrade to a higher membership plan of the truelancer, and then buy extra proposals, and then refer people and get benefited. So basically, you need to get a small jobs first, kind of small task, and get a great feedback, to make your portfolio look better while when applying for new jobs as well. So basically, you need your portfolio to be upgraded, and the way to do so is you need to actually apply for smaller jobs and then get them done. And after you fill in the jobs or fill in the deadlines, and you're gonna see right here the freelancer, for example, writing and all that, and you're gonna get the rating from the people that they are satisfied with your work, and that will give a positive viewpoint of the employer to consider your offer for that for that job, right? Slow and steady wins the race. And have you ever heard this proverb? And then you're sure you're gonna understand what they're saying. All right, don't expect a high pace of proposal approvals, because for the client you are a newbie and they are in need of people who can deliver the final product on time. So they prefer experienced workers, especially if the project is of a big budget. So basically, upgrade your portfolio, get a good rating, and then after you get the good rating, you're gonna give you're gonna give your employer or client a chance to consider your proposal, even though you are applying for a different niche, for example, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.